So as you approach where the boat ramp is for Baumann Park, you can see this, and I will show you why. Definitely a little flooded. The barricade here too, because they don't want you doing what I'm doing right now. I don't know if you can see it. That little island there is usually got a cement trail around it. There's a set of large rocks down here form a barrier between the launch area and the river, and you can't even see those rocks right now. There's a fish swimming in there. It's like a carp swimming against the stream, trying to figure out why the river isn't where it's supposed to be. Yeah, there's a lot of water here right now. So we are at Espenscheid. Most of this is not usually underwater.
Is that a trail marker?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, none of this is usually underwater. I mean, it is out there.
Right.
But none of this is. So I'm now at the Atwood boat launch. I'm sort of right at the end of well, not at the end of the gravel, at the end of the gravel where you can sort of see water, but this tends to go in a lot further before you hit water. So you can see these rocks over here, which are normally well out of the water at Espenscheid. And then they kind of come around here. For those of you that have been out here too, you know darn well that beyond these rocks, it stays dry for a little while. So I'm at our usual launch, our usual canoe launch, and it's flooded up to about 15 to 20 feet beyond where it normally is, and it's moving too. So that tree that you see in the middle there is right around where we normally get in. There's normally shoreline there. I've got a picture from the last time we were here of some of our group underneath that branch that's dipping down into the water. Wow.
Yeah, wow.
But if the GoPro will be able to pick up the movement, I mean, we can see the foam and stuff moving, but I don't know if the camera can.
From here you can really see how large that area is that's been flooded in.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping I could get up here and sort of get that from up here.
Right. The whole thing came down. Wow. Looks like it took out big branches of that other tree with it.
Yeah.
That's cottonwood.
Yes, it is. Big one.
I wonder how they cut that. Like, where were they standing?
Yeah.
They were wielding the chainsaw.
Yeah.
Maybe a bucket? It looks like a really healthy tree too in many ways. Like,
Yeah.
there's no hollowness in these big limbs at all.
Right. So do you suppose it was rooted over here?
Yeah, maybe that's the problem. It was just flooded out and the roots came up, you know?
Yeah, because that's all water over there.
Yeah.
Let me get you in here to show the scale of the tree.